everybody, my name is Robert. I want to say thanks for coming to this channel. If you haven't been here before, please check out my videos, and if it's something you like, please subscribe. And if you've been here before, welcome back, guys. I truly appreciate you. So today my son Jesse and I will be talking about a cool tool I recommend using from my 2017 Toyota Tacoma, which I have coined hard shell taco, or for actually any vehicle. So let's talk about it. So what do we got here, Jesse?
It's a 5-piece Motivx flip socket kit.
So this is a new socket set by Motivx tools. You might have seen my other video where I used their tools to do my oil changes for both the Lexus and the Toyota Tacoma. And I wanted to try these because one of the things is that I love to use my impact gun, and you have to have impact sockets. I know it's what these are. But if you notice anything here, you can see there's actually two sizes on each socket, and that's why they call it a flip socket. And what I like about that is I don't have to look for two sockets to do anything. And as you can see here, they picked the 8 most commonly used sockets for lug nuts and Lugbolts. So they have both metric and SAE. So if we go over here, go ahead and grab the adapter as well, Jesse.
Okay.
So, okay, here's my wheel lock and here's my lug nuts.
Yeah.
So we're going to demonstrate, or Jesse's going to demonstrate how to use it.
Yeah. But you have to use an adapter.
Right, so you're going to use this adapter.
But you have to align it where the hole is like this.
Right, so there's a ball detent in here, and it's recommended to line it up so that way the ball detent hits this hole.
And in this one, we'll put a 19 on it. Because I know we're going to do the wheel lock first. The other side is for the lug nuts.
Okay.
So put that on. And we're going to get this on.
Yep.
Now after this, we're going to take that down. We're going to... No, that's the wrong way. Yes, right way.
Okay, watch out the lugs, yep. So you would pop that out. Alright, Jesse, show them how fast it is to change it. That's how fast it is. So now go ahead and let's take out the other lug.
One here. So we're going to do this. It's finally on.
So how easy was that?
It was good.
It was good and easy?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So that's about it. So that's how quick it is to use the Motivx tools 5-piece socket flip kit. And if you guys are interested in getting that, please check the link below. If you guys have any questions or comments, please post as well. What do you say, Jesse?
Peace out.
Peace out.